Leaf traces. Leaf traces are identified in the solanostele and dictyostele. Solanostele and dictyostele as well as in eustele. The siphonostele is in siphon-like structure without any disturbance of vascular siphon. At center region, medulla is present. It's surrounded by the xylem and it's surrounded by the phloem. This type of tissues, vascular tissues, are called siphonostele. In solanostele, it cut into fragments. The siphon cut into fragments. Small vascular portion, siphon vascular portion cut into fragment. That fragment particle, vascular siphon particle cut into one small size of particle. That particle is called leaf trace. The vascular portion of small particle is called leaf trace. That leaf trace enter into leaf. So we called leaf trace. If the leaf trace enter into leaf, we called leaf trace. Another, here it is small portion of vascular part, not visible in the diagram. Small portion of vascular particle, again one spheroidal particle, enter into branch, called branch trace. Leaf trace means the vascular portion enter into leaf, we called leaf trace. If the vascular portion particle enter into branch, we called branch trace. Between the leaf trace and vascular bundle, leaf gap is present. And branch trace means branch trace between the branch trace and vascular bundles, called branch gap. Simply, vascular portion enter into leaf is called leaf trace. If the vascular portion enter into branch is called branch trace. These are the leaf traces and branch traces in the solanostele. In dictyostele, more number of traces, leaf traces around the node area. In eustele also, around the node area, more number of vascular bundles cut into fragments, they called trace, leaf traces or branch traces. They enter into branches or enter into leaf. But in the diagram, only solanostele diagram is given. Solanostele diagram means solanostele. The siphonostele cut into C-shape like structure. The cut part of vascular region is called trace. The trace enter into leaf, we called leaf trace. If the trace enter into branch is called branch trace.